For this drawing, you will need a ruler, a Sharpie, and a pencil. We're going to start off with the pencil and ruler first. You're going to make 2 straight lines along the side of the paper. So just line up your ruler with the side of the paper and then make a straight line down. You will need to do this on both sides of the paper and make sure the paper is tall ways. After you have your 2 straight lines, we're going to add in a couple, maybe 4 or 5 wavy or zigzag lines. Try not to make them too crazy. So using your pencil, just add those in and make them go top to bottom. Okay, after you have in your pencil lines, you need your Sharpie next. What you're gonna do on the one side of the paper is draw straight lines. You're gonna make them just small spaced apart and make them go straight into that little section. And you wanna fill up the whole side. So I'm gonna fast forward some of this, but you wanna fill up that whole side. Okay, when you get to your second column, you are going to add more lines and connect them with the last column. But make them go slightly up, diagonal them a little bit, or slightly down if you feel like it. Just go ahead and keep filling up that whole column. Just keep going down. Okay, now I'm on the third column. So for this one, you can just change it from the last one so they're not the same. So this one, I'm just gonna do it a little bit more straighter. So now you get the idea. Now you just wanna fill up the whole paper until you get to the very last edge column. Okay, I made it to that very last column, so it's the same as the first one. You're just going to make straight lines, nice and horizontal, try to make them parallel to each other just to finish up the drawing. All right, my optical line illusion is complete. Now I could go back with an eraser and erase my pencil lines to make it look more like an illusion.